Yes, so let us start our chapter now. 10th May. 10th May is the day. Dawn bright and clear. Dawn means early morning, daybreak, or we say the beginning of the day. So, dawn bright and clear. For the past few days, I had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respects before the inauguration. Now, what the author is saying that it was 10th May and it was the day of oath. It was a very bright and clear day, and Nelson Mandela was supposed to take oath as the first black president of South Africa. Now, I had been pleasantly besieged by dignitaries and world leaders who were coming to pay their respect. Now, besieged means to be surrounded closely by. He was closely surrounded by the people, eminent people, world leaders. They pay their respect before the inauguration. They were also very happy. Large number of leaders from all around the world had gathered here. Everybody wanted to witness the ceremony of Nelson Mandela as the first black president, because it doesn't happen earlier. After more than 3 centuries, we have seen that white people were ruling. So definitely all are very much excited to see this. The inauguration would be the largest gathering. Definitely, the inauguration would be the largest gathering, because from all over the world or from 140 countries, many politicians or dignitaries came. Ever of international leaders on South African soil. Now, inauguration would be the largest gathering ever of international leaders. People came from 140 countries. Leaders came from 140 countries on South African soil. This is the first time happening. The ceremonies took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheatre formed by the Union buildings in Pretoria. Amphitheatre is an open area, a building in Pretoria. The ceremony is going to took place in a very lovely sandstone. It's an open area formed by the Union building in Pretoria. For decades, this had been the seat of white supremacy. Again, the author was saying that for decades, this had been the seat. It became the seat of white supremacy. Okay, here given the meaning of amphitheatre, a building without a roof, that is an open theatre with many rows of seats rising in steps. An open theatre is there. Now we came to know for decades this had been the seat of white supremacy. And now it was the site of a rainbow gathering of different color and nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. Now we are going to see that here rainbow gathering of different colors. You all know the rainbow of different colors. And nations for the installation of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government. First time democratic non-racial government is forming. So the ceremony would be performing in the amphitheatre, and we are able to see that earlier white people have the supremacy over there, and now the first time democratic non-racial government is going to be formed.